Welcome to the Creality 3D Scanner channel. This video covers how to scan deep holes effectively. Deep hole scanning is always tricky. The holes are long and narrow, so light or lasers often can't reach the bottom well, making it hard to scan the inner walls and bottom. It gets even harder when the hole is deeper and thinner. Here's the result using parallel laser scanning. Clearly, there's room for improvement. That's why we switched to the Sermoon S1 with a single line laser, which handles holes much better. To get a better and more complete scan of smooth deep holes, it's important to clean them first. Then attach reflective markers to the workpiece to help with tracking during scanning. Start a new project, choose blue laser, and single line mode. Set resolution to 0.2, then hit preview. Keep the scanner at a good distance and adjust exposure and laser brightness if needed. Once ready, click Start and slowly move around the hole to scan all sides. Pause to check the result. If it's complete, click Finish. Delete extra data. Go to Fusion. Keep resolution at 0.2 and apply. Clean up noise, then mesh it. Deep hole scanning recommendations. Clean the deep hole before scanning. Recommended hole diameter for scanning, greater than 3 mm. Adjusting the scanning angle helps achieve a more complete scan. For higher hole accuracy, use spray powder. That's the deep hole scanning demo with the Sermoon S1. Follow our channel for more 3D scanning tips.